So this is the 16 wells palette that I bought, shipped from China. I have a link in the description below from Shopee. I'm an affiliate marketing, so you know I get a bit of a commission if you do choose to buy from it. But or if you can't find it from there, or Shopee doesn't ship to your place, you can always search for it. I'll give you the description. You can find it on various sites like AliExpress and so on. It looks pretty solid. I mean, it does cover. It comes with a sort of a waterproof cover. I never trust the waterproof, so you still have to make sure that it doesn't sort of move around too much in your bag if you're gonna put it in your bag, so that the colors doesn't sort of come out. But it does look quite solid. The lock itself is not like the best built. It does sort of put back very nicely into the extendable water pot, if you like. Quite useful, I suppose. 16 colors is more than enough. There's a link that you can go to see how I fill up. I have a suggestion for 6, 12 and 16 colors, for general purpose sketches, urban sketches and the like. It'll be useful. It does look pretty solid for the price that you pay. I paid something like 15 Singapore dollars. I guess in some of the marketing or campaign, you might be able to get it cheaper depending on the time you buy, and so on and so forth. It also comes with these 3 sort of holes for you to put your brushes. Pretty handy. Looks pretty solid all around. Here's where I put all my 16 colors. Yeah, I'm itching to take it off to go try it and see how it goes. So I hope you benefit from this video. Thank you.